You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the full name, the longest name in the NFL, the name of who's generally referred to as Kaimi. And yes, it's Kaimi. You need to interrupt the sound here because there's this little apostrophe, so it's not Kaimi. Kaimi Fairbairn. His full name is as Kaimi Noeauloa Meka Ikeoke Kumupa'a. I think I got that pretty correctly. Let me know, Kaimi, if you're listening to this. Kaimi Noeauloa Meka Ikeoke Kumupa'a. Every time there's an apostrophe, you need to interrupt the sound, okay? That's quite important. Do you want to try yourself? Let me know if you can do it. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.